In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on Netflix. So if that's what you want to do, then make sure you watch this video and then you should be fine. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this right now. You want to go to Netflix, then click on the top right corner, like the arrow next to your profile, which is going to launch a drop down menu. You can then click on account. It's then going to send you over to your account. You can see all of your details and you'll also see password right there. If you then click right there on change password, they'll ask you to put in your current password and a new password. So this is where you can reset your Netflix password. Now let's say that you don't know your current password. You can then click on forgot password and they're going to send you an email or you can reset your password. And that's pretty much how you can do this. It's as easy as that. You also have the option to require all devices to sign in again with a new password. So let's say that you have a few, let's say there are different people signed in on different devices on your account and you want them to enter the password again, then you would have to fix that. If you don't want that, then unfix it. But that's pretty much how you can do this. Hit save and there you go. If this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.